Welcome back to Dabula TV. I'm still here, no Prof. Prof, without wasting time, Sinama Pondo. To the public, Amasha, but Tina says they are not new. But to the public, Amasha. I'm full Kulu. Tell them to Australia Mapondo la I2.
Prakebi, Sinepondo la, Evelung is meeting. No, got to why la bantu banga kubanga of so in Zufu is all. Kwamba manya matota last year December towards December unyakalo still manje kunendoda ebuyile inkhumbuza ngalo ukuthi man ube wangiboleka noma wangiboleka iphondo akhuluma ngale phondo ngane ngamakhela le phondo akusilo lakho elami le phondo so wangiboleka lona kufana neloan so ngasho ukuthi iphondo lani le loan so le phondo leli BraKB liolwa wena livikele wena but licontrolwa yini.
Okay, before we are fair, let me just explain something to understand because they're going to ask you. So before eating up when I'm a phone calls on a pay. Alright, so guys, okay. Sometimes I need to sometimes to profit and do it. Yeah, so random up boys with that. But then, mina mangvile meaning king I am. I'm renting. So it's a loan. The property I got profit it for time. You say when he says so or under agreement. So manje, you're saying with ifana with the things that you give us, Tina, you're saying.
Yes.
So it's not a rent. It's a personal
loan. A personal loan and also KB remember because you know angizithanda ukuthi advertiser lezi ngiyenzenzele nina ukuthi mase kushubile ngazi ukuthi ugijima bamba somntwana hamba sizobona 2 months back to come uzobona 1 week to come ihambe lento iyo jaja izitha zakho.
Okay, so lento le it's a loan, it's not
it's rental akuna ukuthi hey prof ngeke uyiboleka for 6 months cha ngeke uyiboleka for 7 months cha ngiyaboleka but umunye uzothi BraKB manje idlani njengoba ngilunile cha
it's not yours.
Awungendawe ngokwakho ukuthi uze nemali ngikunikele phondo uhambe ngikutshele ukuthi uyisabele kuphela la.
Alright, so clarify le. So 70,000 iphondo.
Yes.
Now we know ukuthi amaphondo are largely about business. Le who must take le phondo?
BraKB kunabantu abafuna ubusuku nemini. Babafunela ikhundla. Babafunela ukuthi no ithi akafe. Mina ngithi bese lo muntu athi mina angifuni sithwala uku higher position une business yakho iyaflow day and night but kunabantu manje December kunabantu abakidnapayo kunabantu abatshontsha withdraw imali zabo bababophelele emakhaya kunabantu ababathatha abantwana bathi sifuna 1 million uthola ukuthi vele le 1 million ababiza yona ile 1 million sisabantwana ba December uthola ukuthi nje uhlize ekhaya ophumile ku business kunabantu abakufollowayo kunabantu abayenza so le uma ubona ukuthi sekulesimo njengoba seku December manje ufuna ukuphuma yelina le so uyasaba ukuhamba la endleleni this one will protect you.
But ngiyazi ukuthi lo baba lo sometimes namajita angale bayamboleka. Is it appropriate ukuthi ngikhulume ecamereni or bazokhuluma?
Moshe.
I'm Kulumanga Lut. I didn't say anything. No, I just wanted to know if you wanted to
phone.
Okay. Alright. Oh, okay, sharp. Alright. No, okay. I know. Alright. YouTube is all now. Okay, Agnangi. Alright. So if you have it's pretty much more of the protection than anything else. So it's like, okay, so let's say maybe in the business. But I'm afraid Uguti, or they can physically come. So it's either spiritual or whatever. And I just need protection, especially in
this time of
peak season, like on a month. I come here and it's okay. I'm fully until January. Never safe. This is what I come and take. Alright, fine. But there are other things over and above this. Probably nigga 30% of them. Most of them in the jail. Brasbaga Baga Mula, Funa, and then find out ukuthi is keeper. Prof, then from there jumpela ku big man manje. So no big man. Mina ngimbiza big man because it's only for the big man. Khuluma ngayo.
Bese ngikhuluma ngephondo engingaliphathanga manje. Nginephondo elinamandla elinezipoko ezi100. Ipoko ezi100 half kwalezi ngazo. Lelo ke li 400,000 angihleli futhi angithini futhi angithini angikhulumiseki futhi. Le phondo leli ngifuna kuthiwa lo mama lo ubani lo mama ubani lo mama ya yena lo chief justice yena la eMzansi bahlalela ama judge oyi10 lapha bathi lo siyawa naye nginamanga ngeke bangaphuma bayohlala phansi babuye ne judgment mara ukuthi bayikhiphe bayikhafule boma lapha ngifuna nomthakathi imbala athi ngifuna kumjaja lo ngifuna ukumisa phansi nyala ngifuna ubaba ngifuna abantu abathi business lami liphakeme but iSARS ngihleli ifuna yonke into yayo mawuphethe lepoko ngifuna icomputer futhi uyishaya uthi mina ngiyakolodwa wathi ngingakolodi with my company is owing wathi ngiyakolodwa wena clean ngale ndoda le.
Okay, now lento le beyiphuma ngama special occasions as far as I remember with the big men, especially ngama election bekaphumile for certain people that may have trouble with the law. Why are you giving it to the public? Why are you advertising it today on camera?
Ngikhathela abantu abanamanga bakhuluma ukuthi thina sizifikele ngoJesu la. Sengifuna ukuthi abantu babone bahlazeke ukuthi akuna Jesu bafikisile la. Akuna mana ehlezwini afika yanamathela kimi. Athi umuntu ungibona nginje KB ngiphumelela so ukuthi I praise the Lord. I'm praising the KB ngifuna ukubahlaza labantu ukuthi abantu abeza kithi KB man ngitshela
masiyeke lapho. Let me just summarize. So this is for guys that are in heavy positions 99.
Yes.
And then that want last level.
Yes.
Okay, this is
ongafuna ukuhlushwa umuntu.
Okay,
Othi ngifuna ukuphakama nje ngibe stele. Bantwana bami babe protected. My business to be protected. My trucks to be protected. And my minds to be protected. Ngifuna more customers. Ngifuna more business partners to invest in my company. Yilabo lapho.
okay, and also legal issues.
Yes.
Okay, so manje now it's gonna be like, yeah. Anyway, yes, politics and then as for kanjani. All right, guys, you must remember. Okay, please, you cannot come Lana if, for example, you're not at a certain level. So if you have a that's not your level. If you if you not your level. Lentole has got people at a certain level that it's clientele for this thing. So it's 400K. Okay, meaning Uguti the actual dining is 800,000.
Yes.
Okay, so we're just below top gear, but at least lazy. It's not anything else. And they are hundreds, so you can understand Uguti Prof, because it's so many things. Manfia lang itimfuna lephondo le 400,000. What's the process?
Mafuna lephondo uma umelwazi ukuthi uhlili 2 days don't ungahlangana umuntu osifazana. Mafika la ekhaya will check proper. Ukuthi bazokwazi uzokwazi ukubathwala labantu noma angeke ukwazi.
Yes.
So that siyenze into straight. Angifuni ukuthi ngithathe ngikuphe ifike ekhaya iqale. So ngizohlola uzofika namhlanje uzohamba ngakusasa. If lo kanjani utuzana uzosebenza namhlanje uhambe then buye kusini dedelele.
Okay. Phondo 70. Le 70. It's actually not. It's you're being by bolega. It's not his 12. It's not a rental. But the 1 year 400K only for heavyweights and only for people that have specific missions. The biggest thing to remember is that it's 100 souls. So remember that part. Okay. Khona abantu bahlula isibhoko si-1. And khona abanye bahlula isibhoko se-rental. Abanye bahlula isibhoko se-rental that they don't even own. Siyabashaya. So when you come here, know ukuthi uzokusebenza is going to be a rigorous process. And sometimes you can be rejected. That's another thing that people don't know. Sometimes you Prof yakutshela ukuthi sorry, you don't qualify. Prof, siyabonga.
Thank you, sir.